front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same one again. You can also access devices settings. Scroll all the way down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on this switcher to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!